Hey y'all, so in the middle of painting Project Mouse, and I've been stuck driving her too because I can't have my vehicle down. That being said, I noticed on these hot summer days we've had 90 plus degree weather. I was getting a lot of heat soak under the hood and a lot of heat being put out when parked in the garage. So I've been watching people buy hood louvers and DIY setups, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to end up doing. It cost me a total like 10 bucks from Lowe's. I ended up, give me a second here, I'll pull them out and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do. I'm just using a 2 by 12 inch floor vent. You can see it's got the knob and then the vents here. So the game plan is going to be squeeze the vent blade out, and then we're going to drill right there so you get the adjuster knob loose, and then I'm going to cut along here to shorten this down so it still has a lip so it'll center itself in the hole. I'm going to use some nutserts and some N6 Allen bolts, and then we're going to sand this all flat black and lay it on the painted hood into the hood of Project Mouse. Alright, so we got rid of the knob and the blade. You guys can see I marked it. I'm going to cut with a 4-inch cutting wheel that 1-inch piece off. And then it's going to have just a little lip to catch the hood once I cut the hood. You guys can sneak peek on what I'm doing to mark the hood so I make sure it's all even on both sides. Okay, so here we have this trimmed. And then here we have it marked where we're going to drill 4 holes with my drill bit. Then we're going to cut it with a 4-inch grinder. And we're going to go from there. Okay guys, so I measured for the vent size, marked it with tape, makes life easy. I'll probably draw a line with a marker. Then you come to this side and it's done. Now, word to the wise, don't just cut into your hood. Always lay a blanket and elevate the hood so you're not cutting into anything under it. Okay, so slots are cut, hood vents are in. We're going to paint them flat black. I'm going to put some nutserts in all 4 corners, then some M6 Allen head bolts, and you can see how that looks. There you go, tape removed. Like I said, still got to paint them black, do some other things, but I'll get video of that and show you guys the end results. Not bad for a little $10 DIY. Alright you guys, so ignore that vent that's upside down first off. That was a test piece. Here's vent 1, vent 2. I did 3 coats of flat black, and I am laying down 2 coats of matte clear. And after messing with the nutserts, I decided we're going to use 1/8 inch rivets, so you guys can see the rivet hole there. I got to drill the rest of them, but we're getting there. Let me show you guys the hood real quick. 2 1/4 inch by 12 inch hole. The other side matches it, and once I get the hood vents laid down, we're just going to pop rivet it in with 4 to 6 rivets and call it a day. So let me get this paint drying. You guys know how much fun that is to watch. And then we'll rivet it in place and we'll be calling it done. Alright you guys, here's the end result. I'm going to need to touch up the paint on the vents, but I ended up using 8 rivets per vent. I think it turned out pretty good for them being floor vents. Like I said, 15 bucks from Lowe's. I already had the flat black paint and the rivets laying around. Just take your time, measure everything out. That way you're only cutting once. You don't want to mess up your hood.